I am so glad that everybody wants 2016 back, because that means we can bring back the hauls. We can bring back the girly videos. Like, I miss when YouTube was truly for the girls. I want to know what you bought so that I can go and buy it too. Tell me about Primark. Tell me about TK Maxx. Chanel this, Chanel that is cute, but I ain't got Chanel budget. Hey guys, it's your girl Alicia and we're back again with another video. This video is so nostalgic to me because when I was on YouTube, like watching YouTube, used to do YouTube, I used to love watching hauls. I remember anytime I'd want to buy an outfit from PLT, I'd copy and paste the outfit and put it into YouTube so I could watch a haul. I would end up watching all of these hauls, maybe not even ordering the outfit, but I just loved it. So I'm so glad that we're back in this era where we're just being ourselves again, like we're just doing things that we love. So I'm just going to show you guys some products that I bought recently, like over the past 2 to 3 months, of things that I just wanted to get to regain the health of my hair, because I don't know if any of you guys know, I'm giving myself 1 year to sort this hair out. Okay, if by the end of 2026 my relaxed hair is not at a decent health, we're cutting it off and we're starting again. I have cut my hair so many times and I've said I'm going to start again so many times. I just end up putting a relaxer back in it. And I don't want to hear anything because it's always the people with 3A, 3C, 4A that want to talk. Guys, I've got 4C hair, okay? And I've never learned how to maintain it. Like, since I was in year 7, I had my first relaxer. I've been relaxed more than I've been natural. So for me, dealing with relaxed hair is easier. However, I miss having thick hair. Like, I feel like the relaxer has killed my hair so much. I've got so many broken pieces at the front. So I bought a lot of these products to actually try and help restore the health of my hair. Again, if it doesn't work, we will cut it all off and we will try again natural. But until then, these are the products that I've bought to try and restore the health of my hair. Let's get into my haul. So this is actually something that I've been using on my wigs but started to use recently on my natural hair. It's the Voodoo's Clarifying Detox pre-treatment spray. You basically put this on just before you shampoo. Like, I've been using this for like maybe an hour before I shampoo my hair, and when I tell you, it strips everything. There is no type of dirt and impurities that this thing is not going to get rid of. I used all my wigs because wigs can get like a lot of build-up of product, but everything here has been built like over a collection of time. I did not just go ham and buy everything all at once because, as I said, these things are a little bit spenny, like they're not cheap. One of the more spenny things was the Color Wow Dreaming Advanced Repair Resurfacing Treatment. I have been obsessed with this. I've used this for like the past 3 to 4 hair washes. This is so good in between a shampoo. So you do your shampoo, then you put this on, and then you do your conditioner. Relaxer has made my hair very, very dry, and I don't find my hair is dry and brittle anymore. In case you guys didn't know, if your hair is dry, it makes it more prone to breakage. Really make sure that you're focusing on moisturizing your hair, especially if it's relaxed. And the one thing I do love about it is that I don't have to leave it in my hair for long. Guys, I'm not one of those people that's doing 45-minute leave-in treatment. I don't have time for that. You let it sit in your hair for 5 minutes and it does the job. As you can see, I've actually used this a lot. I actually got this a while ago, but this has been my favorite little heat protectant. I've been using it on my wigs, I've been using it on my natural hair as well. It's a Can2 Shea Butter Thermal Sheet Heat Protection, and it shields hair up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 220 degrees Celsius. Mind you, I use my straighteners on 230 degrees Celsius, so I don't know if this is protecting anything. I just realized that this is not protecting anything. Damn it. It smells really good. I mean, it's a heat protectant. I don't really know what I'm supposed to say about a heat protectant. I haven't really been using heat on my natural hair. I honestly just blow dry my hair, and I use that on when I'm blow drying. I haven't been straightening because, as I said, guys, I want to get my hair to a point where I can do a Desdi or bob. I don't want to have to worry about wearing a wig all the time. I'll be honest with you. Sometimes I just want to pack my hair in a bun and go. It's not every single day reach for the wig. Wigs are very high maintenance. I don't like how people make it seem like wigs are low maintenance. They're not. They're a good protective style, but when it comes to maintenance, they are relatively high. Even I've been seeing like a lot of people saying that wig installs are too expensive, and I think I'm joining that boat. Why the install is the most expensive part, when really and truly the styling is the hardest part. But layers and curls is £25, but then the install is 120. But you're just gluing a wig down. Yes, you're bleaching the knots, yes, you're plucking. Plucking takes 15 minutes. The bleaching, you're doing that with all other people's wigs is too, like, it's like, I don't really understand why wig installs can be up to like 160. I saw a wig install the other day, no cane rows, no styling, 170. I think that is very flipping insane, but that's just me. Obviously, they have their clients that pay that £170. I'm not a client of them. I'm financially responsible-ish. Okay, the next product I have is actually a hair syrup. I have heard that it's really, really, really good to like pre-treat your hair with oils the night before, or well, they say like 4 hours, but like a night before is the best. So I got this one. This is the Haircare Rapunzel oil. Some people just use coconut oil. Coconut oil makes my hair dry. I don't know if it's just me, maybe I've got hair problems, but coconut oil used to make my hair very dry feeling. It's got almond oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, jojoba oil. I can make some pancakes with this. Pomegranate oil, I didn't even know pomegranates had oil. This hasn't made my hair feel dry. So if you're someone that uses coconut oil or any other oil and it makes your hair feel dry when you do like an overnight treatment, try this. When it comes to my shampoo and conditioner, I have been using Redken. My first 2 washes with these, I really did notice a difference. When I was looking for shampoos and conditioners, this was really highly recommended. Their acidic bonding treatment really helps against hair that's broken off. When I tell you that these are worth every single buck, I actually got this in like a trio. Do not buy Redken from like Amazon or anything like that. I'll link the website down below where I got my Redken product from. On Amazon, for 2 of these, it was like £45. On that website, I don't know if they're still doing the deal. It was all 3 of these for 55. I said, hello, that's a bargain. I genuinely feel like Redken has changed my life. Genuinely, I've noticed a big difference in my hair wash. Not to say that the shampoo and conditioner that I was using previously was bad. I actually used one by a brand called Full, F-U-L, but I think that their products are more tailored towards curly hair. This is like everybody here. Now the last 2 products I actually have are more focused on thickening my hair and also growing my hair. This product I actually bought a while ago, and as you can see, I only have like this little bit left. It's the Scandinavian Labs Bioplexin Serum. This, I can definitely tell you, I have seen a huge difference in my edges. Like my edges have most definitely grown from using this. However, I will say that it takes a while. If you're looking for fast results, there might be other things on the market that are a little bit more expensive. I think it's like £45 or something like that. Would highly recommend it. I will just say that it does take 2 months to really see real results, like proper good results. This I actually got sent to me. I haven't really the chance to like use it consistently, so I can't really tell you how much of a difference it's made. So for me, this is new as well, and I'll probably keep an update in my description as well. These products, think of them kind of like a minoxidil, but without the part of your hair maybe falling out. But unfortunately, that's the end of my haul. Oh, boo. I can't lie. It felt like I had so much more to show than I actually did. Let me know down below if you guys want more hauls. Definitely when I get more clothes and fits, I'll do more like outfit try-on hauls and stuff like that. I think I'm going to be doing more hauls because I'm going to get more decor pieces for my room, because as you guys can see, my room is very different than how you last saw it. Enough rambling. If you've made it this far into the flipping video, which is basically the end of the video, why have you not liked, why have you not commented, and why have you not subscribed? The subscription is the one that's bugging me. Why have you not subscribed yet? Don't be a hater, join the club, and I'll see you lots in my next one.